Hi, this is Anne Miranda. What a great day to read this super book, SUPERTATO RUN VEGGIES RUN by Sue Hendra and Paul Linnet. It was nighttime in the supermarket, but SUPERTATO and the veggies were going for the burn. Come on, veggies, you can do it! Oh no! Shouted Pear. Broccoli is in the bagging area. Quick, grapefruit, turn off the conveyor! Shouted SUPERTATO. Phew! What's the point of all this nonsense? Said Carrot. To keep fit, of course. Who ever heard of an unhealthy vegetable? SUPERTATO grinned. Just look at yourselves. It's time we got you fruit and veggies into shape. SUPERTATO thought for a minute. I know. Let's have a sports day, he said. Everyone groaned. There'll be prizes. Everyone cheered. Attention, shouted SUPERTATO as they all limbered up. It's time for the first events, running and jumping and spinning. Asparagus, you can be the starter. Then suddenly the ground shook. Oh no, said Cucumber. It's the Evil Pea. Everyone gasped. The Evil Pea was grinning.
Gloria here wishes to enter your competition,
he said. A pleasure to meet you, Gloria, said SUPERTATO.
Crush opponents, win prizes, prizes.
Thought SUPERTATO. Okay, let's start the race. Carrot, you're in lane 1. Broccoli, lane 2. Cucumber, lane 3. Gloria, you can take 4, 5, and 6. Over to you, Asparagus.
Ready, steady, go! They will never defeat my robot,
sniggered the Evil Pea.
Those prizes are as good as mine.
Gloria won the running, the jumping, the spinning, and the lifting of heavy things. In fact, she won everything.
Time to be off, Gloria,
said the Evil Pea.
We have all the prizes. Our work here is done.
Well, actually, said SUPERTATO, there's one more event to go. Swimming.
Must win prizes. Crush, win. Stop!
Shrieked the Evil Pea.
I don't think you should be doing any swimming, Gloria. You're not really a watermelon.
But it was too late.
And they're off,
shouted Asparagus. Gloria was well in the lead. But then she started crackling and sparking. And juggling. Just as I suspected, said SUPERTATO. That's no melon. It's a robot. And the water is making it go berserk. SUPERTATO to the rescue! He scooped up the swimmers and took them to safety. Hooray for SUPERTATO! But just as SUPERTATO flew back to deal with the melon bot, it exploded!
Is this the end for SUPERTATO?
panicked the pineapples. Not this time!
Oh!
Said the Evil Pea.
Time for a 100-meter dash.
Not so fast, Pea. There are no prizes for cheating. It's back to the freezer for you. It's a good thing we've seen the last of that naughty melon bot, said one fish finger to another.
Win prizes. Zzz. I'll be back.
If you enjoyed this reading of SUPERTATO RUN VEGGIES RUN, take a minute to like and subscribe to our channel and see our website at www.annemiranda.com. Until next time, happy